Alright, so it's time to work on this dent again. Finish this part up. It's not too bad over here, but it gets pretty deep back this way. I think I'm going to start at that end and work my way this way. I think. I can also get inside the door down here. There's a small hole. I can try and pop this back out once I start letting some of the pressure off of it. So I think I'll go ahead and sand this real quick, and then I'll bring you back in when we start welding studs. Okay, so I went at it with the sander. It's a little too deep here to get it with the sander. Start getting everything else. I'm going to take a little bit of 80 grit, go at that by hand and clean up some of this groove. Still a little primer in there. And we'll hit it with the stud welder next. Sure, why not? Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. Sanding it by hand kind of sucked. Busted out the Dremel. That got in there real good. I'm gonna go ahead and weld a couple studs in real speed, and then we'll speed it up. Alright, super speed. Alright, so I think that's good enough. Got it out there pretty good. It's not all oil can tinny sound. Got it pulled out enough to hold it tight. I'll do the rest with filler, I think. Maybe fine tune it a little bit. Okay, so I found a few more spots that I'd like to weld a couple more studs. I got this spot here that I pulled too much, so I'm going to pull out with the stud here and try to tap that in. Hammer and dollied the bottom of this door, try to get it straightened. I think I'm going to hit another stud like right in here, and that should be pretty good. Alright, I think I'm gonna call that good enough. There's a little bit of a crease here still, but that's what filler's for. I just wanted to get the big dent out of it. Make it smoother than it was anyways. Looks way better than that big ass crease that was in there. Well, I guess the next part will be when I patch this little rust hole down here. Get you a better shot of that. So I'll cut that out. Weld in another piece. Then we can fill it in with some silly putty. Try and make it look somewhat pretty. Better than that. Got a little more work to do on that part of it. And then I think I'm going to paint from this body line down a different color, because this thing needs some color on the outside. Light's just not doing it for me. Alright, I guess that's it for today. If you like it, go ahead and like it. If you want to subscribe, cool. I just appreciate you watching, and thanks and have a good day.